All right, let's just get right into it. The thing is, most people are using ChatGPT all wrong. They ask these random questions, get really mediocre answers, and then end up wasting a ton of time rewriting everything anyway. But what if you could use it to unlock some serious productivity?
I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way is just frustrating, right? Vague questions, wasted time. The new way, we're talking saving over 10 hours a week, getting instant summaries of long documents, and creating crystal clear plans in seconds. This isn't just some small tweak. It's a total game changer.
So, what's the secret sauce? How do you make that jump from being a frustrated user to someone who has this incredible productivity engine just working for them 24/7? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down.
Okay, the very first step, and honestly, this is the most important part, is a core mindset shift. You have to stop treating ChatGPT like it's just another search engine. Instead, start thinking of it as your own personal thinking assistant. That one change makes all the difference.
This slide really just says it all. I mean, look at this. On the left, write about marketing. You're going to get a generic, pretty useless college essay. But look at the right. You're giving it a role, a specific goal, and clear boundaries. The result isn't some boring essay, it's a list of actionable ideas you can use today.
This powerful act as a technique is really the key here. So why does it work so darn well? It's because you're instantly giving the AI three critical pieces of information: a role to play, the context it needs, and a clearly defined outcome you're looking for. It's the absolute fastest way to level up your results.
Okay, so with that new mindset locked in, let's see how this actually builds into your daily productivity engine. We're going to talk about automating the tasks that slow you down the most. Just think about your inbox for a second. And no, this is not an exaggeration. By giving ChatGPT your rough notes and a little bit of context, you can genuinely respond to emails up to 5 times faster. Imagine all the time you'd get back every single day. This is just a brilliant example of the concept in action. You don't need to craft every single sentence perfectly yourself. Just jot down your main ideas, your core thoughts as bullet points, use a prompt like this, and boom, watch it spit out a professional, client-ready document in seconds. And here's another huge time saver. Instead of slogging through pages of articles, your own messy notes, dense research papers, or those super long meeting transcripts, you can just feed it all to your new assistant. And here is the magic command. Because you don't just want a summary, right? You want to know what to do with the information. Asking for actionable insights just cuts through all the noise and gives you the key takeaways you need to actually move forward. All right, we've automated the daily stuff. Now, let's zoom out a bit. We're moving from just getting things done to building strategic systems for your biggest, most important goals. This is really the next level of that mindset shift. It's no longer just a writer or a summarizer. It's now your digital operations assistant, ready to help you organize all the chaos and plan your strategy. And putting this into practice is surprisingly straightforward. You can take that messy, overwhelming to-do list and have it turned into a prioritized plan. You can take a huge, intimidating goal and have it broken down into small, manageable steps. You can even use it to build out your entire weekly schedule or create systems for new habits you want to start. So why does all this matter? Well, because better systems can lead to a better income. This slide shows exactly how. You can use it to tailor your resume for that dream job, brainstorm new business ideas from scratch, or write a winning proposal to land that new client. This isn't just about productivity, it's about income leverage. We're almost there. You've got the mindset, you've got the systems. The final piece of the puzzle is learning how to refine the output. This is what separates a good result from a truly great one. Let's quickly go over the pitfalls, the traps people fall into. Most people get stuck because they're making these 4 mistakes: being vague, giving zero context, and, this is the big one, not refining the output. They just accept the very first thing the AI gives them. So here's the pro tip. You have to treat it like a conversation. You would never accept the first draft from a human assistant without giving any feedback, would you? Of course not. The same exact logic applies here. Never, ever just accept the first response. Your first refinement tool is so simple, but it's incredibly powerful. If you get a response that's all convoluted or full of confusing jargon, don't try to decipher it. Just tell the AI directly. Make this clearer. You'll be amazed at how well it can simplify its own writing. What if you get a wall of text when you really just needed a quick summary? Your next command is just as easy. Make it shorter. This is a game changer for turning long reports into bite-sized emails or for crafting that perfect, concise social media post. And finally, this one might be my personal favorite. If the AI gives you a fantastic idea that feels a little too abstract or theoretical, push back with this command. Make it more practical. This is the magic phrase that turns high-level theory into a concrete, step-by-step action plan. So let's bring it all home. When you apply all these techniques, you've completely transformed ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a multi-talented assistant. It's now your writer, your planner, your researcher, your brainstorming partner, and your workflow assistant, all rolled into one. If you take only one thing away from this whole explainer, let it be this. The real secret to unlocking insane productivity with AI isn't about asking clever questions. It's about learning how to give clear, specific, and powerful instructions. So, what's the first instruction you're going to give?